What is a NETWORKDAYS function in Excel? A NETWORKDAYS function returns the number of whole workdays between two dates. Do keep in mind that Saturday and Sunday are excluded in NETWORKDAYS function. We will be using the Waterfall Web Development Process timeline in our tutorial and calculating the number of workdays. We will need to have the start date, end date and holiday for our web development process calculation. Without further ado, let us start the calculation and get our website up and running. Select cell E7, type in the equal, type in NETWORKDAYS, open parentheses. Select start date in cell C7 and type in a comma. Select your end date in cell D7 and type in a comma. Next, we will add in the holiday. Move your cursor to cell H5. Select and drag your cursor from cell H5 to H14. We will also make this range into an absolute cell reference by clicking on our F4 button. Lastly, close parentheses and hit return. You will get 20. The number of workdays for requirements analysis. Now, let us find the number of workdays for the other web development process. Let us use the autofill function. Move your cursor to the lower right of cell E7. Once your cursor turns to a plus sign, double-click on it. You will get the number of workdays for the rest of the web development process. There you have it, the NETWORKDAYS function for Excel. If you have any Excel formula you want us to teach, let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification to have more free Excel function tutorial. But before you go, we have a bonus clip for you. I will be turning this Excel spreadsheet into an API. Stay tuned to see how the magic works. I will be using AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in to turn this NETWORKDAYS function Excel into an API. To do this, I will need AlchemyJ Excel installed and with a preset of rules. I will select the AlchemyJ ribbon, select Generate API and click on Generate API. The file is now converting. Okay, your API is ready. I will now launch this open API which AlchemyJ generates and try using the NETWORKDAYS function on it. I will expand this tab and select Try it out. Let's try to start by web development process with requirement analysis. The start date will be 1 January 2021 and the end date would be 31 January 2021. Let's see if we can get 20 NETWORKDAYS. Awesome, we got it. AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in turns your Excel business model into API. This way, you can integrate your Excel model into other applications. You can download AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in for free at alchemyj.io. And once again, thank you for watching. So which Excel function you wish to be converted into an API? Let us know in the comments section below. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification. See you soon.